Hey guys, welcome to today's skills video. We're going to go ahead and get started with a wiggle and then we'll get started with our lesson.
How to make unicorn goo slime.
I love unicorns! Yay, unicorns! Did I mention I love unicorns?
You'll need 3 6-ounce bottles of glitter glue in different colors. For each bottle of glue, you'll need a half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution, 2 bowls, 1 spoon, an airtight container, and a little bit of water.
Can you repeat those again? I was daydreaming about unicorns.
Step 1. Cover your table with newspaper so you don't slime things up. Step 2. Squeeze most of a bottle of glue into a bowl. Step 3. Put the baking soda in a small bowl, add a little bit of water, and stir it up. Step 4. Add the baking soda mixture to the glue and stir it on up. Step 5. Add the magic ingredient, the contact lens solution. This activates the glue and turns it into slime. Step 6. Stir it with a spoon until most of the contact solution is mixed in. You can keep stirring it with your spoon, or you can use your hands to squish and squash the slimy mixture all over the bowl until it becomes stretchy, gooey slime. Note, if it's too sticky, give your hands a little squirt of the contact lens solution. Step 7. Repeat this process with the other 2 colors. Put the glue in the bowl, mix the baking soda and water, add it to the glue, pour in the contact solution, stir it, knead it, pull it, done. Put the glue in the bowl, mix the baking soda and water, add it to the glue, pour in the contact solution, stir it, knead it, pull it, done. Step 8. Break off a little piece of each color, roll each one into a log, and then twist it so the colors swirl together. Look, I'm a unicorn!
Wait, what are we making? It's not that I'm forgetful. It's just that I have a hard time remembering things.
Stretch and squeeze your unicorn slime as much as you want. Mix it together or keep it separate. And when you're not using it, store it in an airtight container and use it to decorate your room.
Unicorn slime? Awesome! So, how do you make it?
You made the goo, now what you gonna do? Dance. Dance.
Make unicorn goo slime. Slime. Look, I'm a unicorn. Stir it, knead it, pull it, done. Stir it, knead it, pull it, done. Make unicorn goo slime.
That one's silly. Oh, but we get to see him transform! Here we go. Wow. Keep playing. Okay, we're going to save that for later. Right now, we are going to do some tricky words, okay? So, remember, I'm going to leave them up on the screen for a second. I want you to try to read it, and then I'll tell you what it says, okay? So, here's our tricky words we've learned so far. Ready? 1. 2. Remember, this is the number 2, not like I went to the store. This is I got 2 dogs in my backyard. 3. The number 3. The. A. Here's our first color word, blue. Yellow. Look. I. That's an easy one, like I went outside? Are. Little, little. Down. Out. From. All. Was. Remember that S has the Z sound in that one. Was. When. Word. Why? To. Yeah, this is the one that says I went to the store. Good job. Where. Where. Question word. No. What. What. That ah doesn't make the ah sound. It makes the what. What. So. Which. Which. Once. Remember we talked about this one, how the O at the beginning has the w sound? Once. Once. Good job. Remember, these are tricky words because they don't follow our regular reading, okay? You can't sound out each letter and still get the word right. If you did it this way, it would be ah, eh. That's not once. Said. Said. Like I said, have a great day. Says. Says. Today's word is were. I was going to give you a second to see if you knew that one. Were. This word is tricky because we have the w sound at the beginning, but then that ere makes the sound. Can you say Good job. So were. Like we were at school the other day. Now we're at home, right? I wish we were back at school. Yeah, I do. I miss you guys. So this tricky word is were. Can you say that with me? Were. Very good. All right. Now, we are going to do our reading and then come back to this. Okay? We're going to come back to this in just a minute. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and do this first. That way you guys know what is coming next, okay? So, in your packet, you have a paper. This is going to work out great because we're going to talk about this word in our reading too, so we can go ahead and do that before we read. You have this page, okay? 16.2, okay? Munch. Munch is your word at the top, okay? You're going to write the definition and then draw me a picture, okay? So, munch, to eat or to chew something. You guys know I love to munch on Kit Kats. What's something that you like to munch on? Tell me about it and draw a picture right down here at the bottom, okay? So, to give you enough time to do it, go ahead and pause the video and then come back when you're done. All right, you guys done? Great. All right, so we're going to go ahead and jump into our reading, okay? So go ahead and get out your Zach and Ann book and turn to page 54. See this down here at the bottom, page 54, so we can read the story Bug and Frog, okay? I'll give you a second to get that. If you need a little bit more time, pause the video and then come back, okay? Go ahead and go get that. Okay, ready? All right, so we're going to read Bug and Frog, okay? Bug and Frog. Zach and Ann sit next to the pond. Now, I'm going to start reading a little quicker and do that read with expression, okay? So I'm not going to read like a robot. Let's always remember that when we're reading, okay? So, Zach and Ann sit next to the pond. Zach says, there's our tricky word says, the pond is a lot of fun. I wish I were a bug. Why? Says Ann. Bugs are no fun. Bugs zip and hum, says Zach. All right, there's lots of our tricky words in here. Why, I, were, says, are, no. Lots of tricky words. Good reading. Here's a picture. If I had to be any of those, I think I'd be a dragonfly. I think so. What about you? What would you be? Okay, let's keep reading. Frogs hop and splash and munch on bugs, says Ann. I will not wish I was a bug, Zach quips. Zach and Ann had fun at the pond, and they will tell Mom and Dad. Look at them. Right, that's it for our reading today. So, if you will, go back, read the story on your own, and remember, I haven't been saying it, but always remember, do your 10 minutes of silent reading, okay? Always, always, always do that silent reading because that's going to make you a great reader, okay? So, you have one more page to do today. Remember, I want you to go back through and read it one more time so you can remember everything we talked about. And then you have this page, okay? It says 16.1, okay? Bug and Frog. And it has some questions on the front and the back, okay? So, number 1, where are Zach and Ann? Where are they? I want you to write me a full sentence with a capital letter, period at the end, and finger spaces in between, okay? Remember those finger spaces and tell me, where are Zach and Ann in our story? Number 2, Zach says what? I'm going to let you read these answers and then tell me which one it is, okay? You're going to be doing lots of independent reading, okay? Number 3, same thing. I'm going to let you read it. It says, Ann says what? What does Ann say? You got to go back and read it and find the answer, okay? And number 4, can a frog munch on a bug? You tell me. You're going to write me a full sentence with a capital letter, period at the end, and finger spaces in between, okay? You guys did a great job today. I miss you so much, and I hope to see you soon, okay? Bye-bye.